Welcome back, everybody. My name is Tom Olson. The name of the show is Olson on Law right here on News Talk WDBO. I'd like to introduce you to attorney Robert Hydock from My Ticket Team in Orlando. He represents people who have received speeding tickets, DUI, driving while license suspended, and reckless driving, as well as all other traffic ticket cases. I asked Robert to come on the air to answer a question that I received from one of our listeners. Hey, Robert, thanks for being on my show today.
Good morning, Tom. It's always a pleasure to be on your show and help your listeners with their legal concerns.
Well, Robert, the question that I got from a listener was that he received a ticket from a red light traffic ticket camera. And, of course, he's calling me, telling me, Tom, I was not driving the car. And so the question is, what would the owner of the car do in that situation?
Well, Tom, according to the red light camera statute or the Mark Wendell statute as written, it does not matter who's driving the vehicle. The notice of violation, that's the first thing a person gets when they get a red light camera ticket, goes to the first registered owner of the vehicle. So then the state kind of shifts the burden to the driver, or actually the registered owner of the vehicle, to tell them that, hey, I wasn't driving. And they do this when they receive their notice of violation in the mail. There's an affidavit at the bottom that they can fill out that gives, you have to give the name, birthday, driver's license of the other person that was driving, and then the ticket goes to them. They literally transfer the ticket to the other person. However, sometimes people have multiple drivers or they're away and they don't know who's driving their car. So then they don't have that ability to file an affidavit. They literally have to wait. With a notice of violation, there is a 30-day window that you have. And if you don't file an affidavit or you don't pay it, you're going to receive what's called a uniform traffic citation by certified mail. They increase your fine, and it actually becomes a court case. At that point, they can retain an attorney to defend the ticket for them to show that the person wasn't driving. We've had clients that were on cruises or they were in California, and we had to literally go into court with plane tickets or a cruise itinerary, and just to show the court that our client was not there, and then the case will be dismissed from that respect.
Well, that's great, Robert. Hey, by the way, I want the listeners to know, I've raised a couple of kids and I've got nieces and nephews, and hey, they've gotten their shares of tickets. And, historically people think, I'll just plead guilty to this thing or I'll pay a fine and go to school. But, there's another great option out there, and that is My Ticket Team. And I had some great results with you guys as far as making tickets go away. And a lot of people are not aware that this is an area of law that lawyers like you specialize in.
Yes, we do every day.
All right. Well, I want to let the listeners know that attorney Robert Hydock has agreed to give a 10% discount for all of my radio listeners who mention Olson on Law radio show. Robert will be available during the rest of the show if anyone has other ticket questions. Otherwise, you can reach Robert at 855-849-8326 or myticketteam.com anytime. Very good.